no, you should not be put off. You should not enter into that product niche. So if Amazon is selling in a product niche, you should run from that niche and not go into it at all. Do not try and compete with Amazon. That is a losing game for you right there. Also, the very fact that Amazon is in that marketplace ought to tell you that you have stumbled upon a commodity-driven marketplace, because that's what Amazon goes into commodity-driven marketplaces. Things like, I don't know, baby nappies, for instance. It's in that one, diapers. So they've got their own Amazon Basics brand for that. And that ought to tell you that you're in a marketplace where you're not going to be able to add any value, so you should not go into that one anyway. So that's two prongs for you. Don't compete with Amazon, and the very fact that Amazon's in it ought to tell you not to go into it because it's a commoditized product category. Having said that, let's have a little game. How are we going for time? We've got time for a game. All right. So here's a little game for you. Let's just use, let's use nappies. Let's call them diapers though, because let's just pretend we're going to be selling in America, all right? Just to ease of stuff, because Amazon's not selling currently anything, I don't think at least, in Australia. So Amazon is selling baby diapers, all right? But there are lots of other niches, sub-niches within baby nappies, diapers, that we could go into where we're not going to compete with Amazon. So here's a little game for you. Type into the question area a product sub-niche of diapers. I'm going to give you one example to get you thinking. Organic diapers, organic nappies. All right, that's one example to get you thinking of different things. So Amazon does not sell organic nappies, organic diapers. So you could go into that category, and because Amazon's not there, you'd be able to carve out your own little slice of nappy heaven. But what else? What else can you think of? Mr. Mark Wolf says adult diapers. That's a fantastic one. So you've got things like, for instance, Crohn's disease and irritable bowel syndrome, where these poor folks, their bum leaks, and so they need to wear adult diapers as a way of preventing them basically pooing in their pants. So that's a great one, Mike. Love that. Lots of Mark says adult one too. Athena, nappy rash cream. Absolutely. Tom, nappy covers. Noni, reusable nappies. Fantastic. So you've got that. What's that material? I think it's like a terry toweling, isn't it? Something like that. Or terry cloth. Absolutely. Bamboo diapers. Hitten. That's very, very smart. I love that. Nappy warmers. Giselle, bamboo. Again, well done, Giselle. Ling, swimming diapers, fantastic. Pet diapers, yep, brilliant, Greg. So dogs, cats, things like that. Baby swimming, doggy diapers from Brian, swimming diapers. Sue says nighttime nappies. Greg says diapers for Barnaby Joyce. I think he needs the adult extra large version. Mr. Joyce, absolutely. Pippa says nappy wipe wallet. Fantastic. You've got swimming diapers, overnight diapers, disposable diapers. So you can see that even though Amazon is competing for diapers, there's lots and lots of things underneath that, subcategories that Amazon is not there, and you can go in there and compete on those particular things. So that's pretty cool. Lizzie says, trust you, bloody Lizzie, adult fetish nappies. I think I'll have a chicken of those for me. And Lizzie says she's seen a pair of chicken nappies, which just defies belief. And now I am scarred for life thinking about chicken nappies. So you can see how that would work. Dave, so I hope that helps, mate. Something for you to think about. Lots of people saying Lizzie is a little bit crazy. Lizzie, I think they've rumbled you, hun. You are indeed. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.